Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining me. If you're watching, thanks for subscribing and following the page. Today this over the next couple of days, weeks, going to do a little collaboration with Subbuteo Collector. Obviously, you know yourselves from the work he does. He does a lot of band, and then I'm sure he gets a lot of doubles and double references. So he put on a Celtic heavyweight team on Twitter, and straight away I thought I wanted to work with it and do something with it and bring it back to its original. Maybe make it a bit more authentic with the Lisbon Lions 67 team I'm going to do. So the package has arrived. It says fragile over it. You see what it says, fragile over it? So the postman gave it to my wife, and she came out and threw it at me on the ground and says there's a parcel for you, and I says, can you not see it? It says fragile. No, I mean, maybe it's spelt wrong. Anyway, so this is going to be the first look at them. Don't know what. If I've seen the photos, I think there was only maybe 7 in the pack when they came, when they were on Twitter. So I've got a big plan to redo them. Now, this may take a bit. It's well packed. I'm still here. Alright. Oh, straight away I can see some little Subbuteo Collector stickers, which looks great. Yes! I love stickers. See it? And straight away that will go on the box somewhere. I think I'd have to put them in the front, wouldn't I? Just room there maybe, look. Save myself. Thank you. Oh, shiny one as well. Even better. A foil. It's like when you got the panini stickers and you got the foils. Subbuteo Collector. Top class, man. So, obviously when I'm sending back, I'll send you mine. Not as classy as yours, but sure. So here we go. Well packaged, good box. Love the old boxes. Rating on there, yep. Celtic wrote on there, which is great. And inside, oh, great packaging, great packaging. Yeah, we have a guy that's fallen over. Celtic, Lisbon Lion. He's probably still celebrating. Staggering. He's good. He's good. Oh, he's not good. He's glued. We can fix that. He's glued. He's good. Glued. And wobbly. Very wobbly. He's been out in the bender with him. Them two have been on the sauce together. Keeper's a bit rough. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a keeper. Nothing underneath. No. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to order 3 more single players off eBay. Same reference 25, I think. I don't know if the reference on this box. No, but they are reference 25, I think. So I'll get the rest of the players. Some of these glued boys look like they've had better days. So we'll work on that. We'll get it sorted. We'll get them back to the original. Good thing is that the bases are in great condition. So we might be able to get some new players and put them in. And save the old guys that are wobbly. No, he just broke him a hand. Just broke him a hand. Great. We're going to have fun with this. So the plan is to take it back to... bring it back to its original. Lisbon 67 team. Probably go with a number in the back of the shorts and stuff, like they had then. And then just the hoops and the white the white socks and white shorts. So as we work through it, I'll do different wee videos, bringing it back, and then you'll obviously see Subbuteo Collector's video as well when he does his, and we'll put them together and it'll be one big collaboration. So see you all soon. Thank you, and check out soon. So welcome back to the second part of this video. The last time I shot this video was 9th of August, I think it was. The day I think I went on holiday. They arrived, the package arrived. I was so enthusiastic to get them open and get a look at them, and couldn't wait. So what happened since then was the team turned out just to be an absolute bed of wreckage. I think I was able to save one figure maybe out of the 7. A couple of bases were saved, a couple of bases couldn't get the peg out of the base, a couple of players wouldn't come out. The glue stayed in, the players broke. So what the plan was originally was save them 7 players and then buy 3 replacement figures on eBay for £3 a figure, which didn't turn out. I would have had to buy 10 new figures. So what I did, I was on eBay and got the same team, same reference. I think I got them for like £18. I think I actually bargained them. It was what you could buy, request a price. So I think I requested something like 14 and he gave me them for 15 or 16, then £2 postage or something like that. So 18, £20, whatever it was. So the only thing was they had a green base. As you can see in the photo, they had a green base and they were better condition. They were like, some of them were like new. So they still had a lot of brown glue around the feet. So I cleaned them as best I could to get the glue off. I think I got most of it out. I didn't want to paint the base. I didn't want to put any weight on the base at all, so you can still see some traces of brown on the base. I think it keeps it a wee bit authentic. So what I did here was I stripped the whole team back, undercoated them all again, brought them back up to white, and started putting the hoops. So I used my standard green for the hoops, 942, and it is called light green. That's my go-to green. That's for the shirts. And then for the goalie, I used 969, and it is flat park green flat. So that's the goalie for his jumper. What I tried to do was try to give him my style of painting. My original plan was just to put the hoops on, put the white socks and the white shorts on, send them on with a number in the back of the shorts. But as I went on, I wanted to give it my character, the way I paint. I wanted to have it a bit of identity. So if you order something from me, this is what you'll get, sort of thing. So what I did was I gave them all the original hoops. I got 3 big hoops on the jersey. They same size, sort of similar to what the kit is, but only on the kit, the original kit, they would have had 4 hoops maybe on display in the jersey. So the size of the hoop, you couldn't get any more than 3 in. So 3 hoops. The thing with them hoops is in the box, in the box, they're straight. The hoops are straight. When you hold them in your finger, take a photo of the hoops straight. You set the player down on the ground, the hoops are lying to the side. So I think it's more to do with the player not in the base right. So they are a fucking nightmare to paint. I'll not be painting them again. Heavyweights, no chance. Big fat necks, wrinkles all over the shorts, short shorts, big fat legs. Bit like me, really, when you think about it. So no, I'm not a fan of heavyweights. Fair play to everybody that paints heavyweights and does a great job with them. Not for me. So what I added in was like the eyes, the eyebrows, the hairstyles. A couple of boys with light brown hair, boy with ginger hair, rest of them with black hair. Most of the players at Lisbon Lions game finished the game with their socks rolled down, so I just put one player with socks rolled down. I didn't want everybody rolling their socks down. Would have took away from the niceness of the team. So we things like that. I was going to do a player with shirt untucked, but in them days players didn't wear their shirt untucked. They were very professional. So there's no shirts untucked in this kit. I done the kick and keeper for the photograph, solely for the photo. So I wanted to recreate the photo of Billy McNeil leading the team out onto the pitch that day. So I needed a keeper instead of the stick keeper. So I will not send that because it's not going to do him any good. It's not going to go anywhere. What I did add in was a little Arsenal display, the home and away kit. So I have Kieran Tierney to keep it Celtic. He's the only Celtic player at Arsenal. And then I done Lacazette because I like the numbers name shirts. Very fancy. Yeah, so it's a cream. It's more cream than white. It looks white and when you see it on TV, but unless you see it against a player wearing one of these white Under Armours, it is actually cream off-white. So I've done it off-white. Again, Adidas stripes around the socks. The home kit has the Adidas stripes down the side of the jersey. The away kit has them on the shoulder. Both have the pinstripes around the socks, and they have the 3 Adidas stripes down the side of the shorts. So hopefully you like them, Stewie. And I will be posting them today, so you'll get them midweek, and we can share videos at the same time. So if you've watched this and you haven't watched Stewart's, go over and check out Stewart opening them. Hope he likes them. Hope they take pride of place in his collection. I'm quite nervous for his video and his reaction. If he goes, ooh, shit, I'm in trouble. So hopefully he likes them. Hopefully you all like them. Please give me a like, give me a share, follow the page, follow the YouTube channel, watch his Subbuteo art, and I just hope it all goes to plan. Thank you, and thank you for giving me a chance to do it and being on your channel, Stewart. Top bloke as always, and of course don't forget to watch the Fantasy Football Show every Friday night on my YouTube channel with me and Martin in the shed. So thanks a million, and hopefully I'll see you all soon. And hopefully we're not in lockdown by the time this video comes out. Peace out.